Thank you very much, Beena, and I join you in the somber mood that we are all in. Living in Delhi, also, I guess, in a sense, Delhi is the epicenter. And Kanak has said a lot of things. Lolly, of course, had a beautiful introduction. And Kanak said something very important, the word he used was civilizational connect. And I think this is something which has to embed itself in our mind. And the other thing he said is use this crisis to reset our minds. So we could not do Khelne Do today for good reason, but we are together. We are talking of region, and we are talking of South Asia and what the dream of people like Asma Jahangir, Dr. Mubashir Hassan, I.A. Rahman Sahab, and we who are now at the vanguard of life. We have stood for it, and younger people have taken it up. And for me, that also is something which makes me delighted to see how these new initiatives are taking root. So I just want to say this. Of course, you will be hearing. She'll be putting on this wonderful clip of Lal, Gham na kar, gham na kar. So I don't want to, repeat those lines because you'll hear it from a beautiful rendering of it. Faisab always comes to our rescue. And so I just want to quote two small, one verse of Faisab and one verse of Sahir Saab, because this is also Sahir Saab's centenary year, 2021. So Sahir Saab wrote, रात जितनी भी संगीन होगी, रात जितनी भी संगीन होगी, सुबह उतनी ही रंगीन होगी। गम न कर, गर है बादल घनेरा, किसके रोके रुका है सवेरा। है घड़ी भर का मेहमा अंधेरा, किसके रोके रुका है सवेरा। So in the spirit of what Beena said, what Kanak said, what Lolly said, that morning, that dawn will break. And it's with that hope we South Asians have gathered on this SAPAN platform. And of course, I want to end with Faiz Sahab, which Faiz Sahab's lines, which he wrote in my book, in my Zinda Nama, when I was in Canada and he and Begum Ellis Faiz were staying with me. And in that, I said, Kuch to likh dijiye kitab pe. So he wrote these two lines. And in my life, whenever things have gone rock bottom, and things are rock bottom for us in Delhi, not counting, the tragedies unfolding all around, it has always helped me. And Faiz Saab said, दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं, नाकाम ही तो है. The heart is not hopeless. It has just not achieved the goal. दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं, नाकाम ही तो है. लंबी है गम की शाम, मगर शाम ही तो है. The evening of sorrow is long, but it is only the evening. So once again, hoping, praying, and in our togetherness, seeing that this dawn will break and we will overcome. I just want to thank all the friends who are on this platform, Pina, for persistently pursuing this objective, then changing its आकार. हम तो कहते हैं आकार बदल गया, मगर वो खेलने दो तो दिमाग में, that also has an entity and an existence of its own. Thank you very much.